I bet you don't know these facts about seagulls. Seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water, speak in complex dialects, and have mastered life on every continent, including Antarctica. Their specialized salt glands are like built-in desalination plants, filtering seawater into freshwater. These urban adventurers can remember human faces for years and even pass this knowledge to their chicks, making them one of nature's most sophisticated learning machines. Watch as they drop shellfish onto rocks with the precision of a mathematician. They calculate the exact height needed, factoring in wind speed and shell thickness. In their colonies, each pair develops a unique call signature, like a family name, passed down through generations. Using Earth's magnetic field and polarized light patterns invisible to human eyes, they navigate thousands of miles with an accuracy that rivals our best GPS systems.